Let's find out how to turn your TikTok account private. If you have posted a couple of videos on TikTok, you might want to make some of those private even though your TikTok account is public. By default, TikTok accounts are public, but if you want to make yours private, all you have to do is to tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. That will take you to your profile page and also reveal this menu in the top right corner with the 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those and select the Settings and Privacy tab. On the Settings and Privacy page, click on Privacy, and then you want to click on the Private account. Once you enable that, your TikTok account turns private. In the future, if you no longer want it to be private, simply go back to this page and turn the private setting off. That is how you turn your TikTok account private. Make sure to leave a comment if this helped you out, and also make sure to check our other videos for more help on TikTok features. Thanks for watching.